How to activate Windows 11 using the command prompt. Hey guys, and welcome back. On today's video, we'll be discussing about preparation for the activation key using the valid product key and command prompt. So first of all, the process is to validate the product key. First of all, you need to make sure that you have a valid Windows 11 product key. You can find it on the sticker that came with your computer or in your purchase confirmation. So first of all, you can start up by opening the Windows PowerShell. It will ask for permission, click on yes, and here is a command that you need to paste it here. The first command is for the Windows PowerShell in order to know your product key. You can paste it from the description box below. The next command that you can use in your command prompt is to activate the Windows. Here are two commands that you can use. The first one is to activate Windows, which is slmgr ipk and the product key. The next one is to activate the online Windows, which is slmrg/ato. And the third one is to get the digital license version. Make sure that you click on each and every and give the permission by clicking on OK as well. However, in the process of activation, if you received any problems, you can check your product key again, check the internet connection and administrative privileges, and this should work fine. So that is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.